Nice fish, dude. You got a net?
No, I got a thing for their mouth.
Oh. Yeah, he's gonna head for those pilings. It's a nice fish, brother. Can you tell what it is?
Yeah, it's a jack.
Another jack?
Yeah.
Well, I got you on video, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, no.
It's fun fighting them in the yak. I had one hit earlier, and I couldn't do anything with it. He took me. Oh, that's a nice one, man. Really?
There's a mark for a hook and not that part of its mouth.
No kid.
Thanks for filming it. You got your GoPro on?
I don't have it right now, but I can. Hold on one second, buddy. There's so many freaking mangrove here. I was gonna try to get it on camera, but he sucked the bait off. I got that on camera, and what I can do is I can zoom in with my phone here. Hold him up. Oh yeah. Yeah, before you roll, man, get my I'll give you my contact information. Actually, I'm gonna be putting this on YouTube if it's cool.